everyone, welcome. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Francois, and today we will be making baked red snapper. As you can see, I have my snapper, my fish, red snappers ready. All I have to do now is spray some non-stick spray over my fish. I already have some extra olive oil on the bottom of the pan, so you can also make that. I did that on my own. I make it fresh garlic, fresh thyme. You just stick it in the bottle of the extra olive oil and you let it sit. You cook with it whenever, and you can refill it as well. All right, so first thing first, we're going to put our fish in the oven. As you can see, you bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna put it there in the middle, in the center, and close the door. And we're going to bake our fish for 35 minutes. And we wait. All right, so while the fish is baking, I am making some fried plantain. We're gonna use that on the side. You can eat it with fried plantain or rice and beans, white rice, macaroni gratine, mac and cheese, however you like it, okay? So I put some paper towel right here to absorb some of the oil as I'm getting the plantain off the oil. So the paper towel will be absorbing some oil from the plantain. All right, so once we have all our plantains out, you can always use an electric fryer. I had one before. I threw it away after many years, so I'm just using this. I really like it. I'm just going back to the old-fashioned way, which I love it. And it works. So now you have your Haitian, we call it, how do we call it in Haiti? I'll find out the name, but we use these two little wooden thing, I guess. You just push that down. I will have to look for the name for you. They call it Pez, a Creole, but I'll look for another name, something that you guys will understand better, but I believe it's Pez in Creole. So you just go down. They are very soft, so you don't have to go, don't push down too much. Don't put too much pressure, just like this. And then you put it back on your oil. I want to kind of, so they can cook as they should. So you press down a little bit. In Creole, we'll say peze banana. Push it down just a little bit because they are soft. So you don't want to flat them down. And if you don't have something like this, what I do when I don't have one, I use two little plates, ceramic plates, like flat little plates, and I use them. It worked. It used to work when I used to do it. So I think if you go to the Hispanic stores, they have those. It might not look this way because I have mine for decades, like over a decade now. I have it for a long time, so it doesn't look as pretty the other ones will look, but you can find it. All right, that's it. We got our plantain here. You can see. Oh, let's bring the camera closer. So that's why I don't want my, too much heat, so they don't really cook the way they should. So you have to put the heat down a little bit. You don't want it too low either, so medium heat, okay? and they look good. So once they are fried ready, you'll find out really quickly because you'll feel it. I can hear some crunchy here. So like I said, this plantain is a little bit soft, so you might not feel that for all of them, but some of them already you can hear the sound. Like this one is good. You can get this one out and use paper towel just to absorb the extra oil. You don't want that. All right, plantain is ready. So while we're waiting on the fish, let's take a look together. Oh, look at that. I wish you can smell it. So it's baking really nicely. It's looking good. We can see the brown color is coming in. So we'll leave it for another 9 minutes for the whole 35 to be complete. And we'll go to the next step after that. All right, let's check on our fish. 35 minutes is over. You just have to pull it. So we'll be adding, can you come closer here? We can show you. We are adding our peppers, sweet peppers here. Just lay it around the fish. Let's put all of the sweet pepper. And then your bouquet, it's thyme and parsley. I buried the thyme inside of the parsley, so it's just a bouquet here. And we put our onion. You can add them all over, around the fish. Yep, just like that. Then I have my little sauce here. This is extra olive oil, wine vinegar, red wine vinegar, and some fish sauce, that's all. And we're just going to pour that over the fish. It's like giving a bath. Just pour everything over. Yep, that's it. Make sure everything is spread out really well. Then you put it back for another 10 minutes and we'll be good. All right, you put your timer for 10 minutes and we'll see you then. All right, this is what we're going to be eating with our plantain and our baked red snapper. This is called pickles in Haitian Creole, and in English we call it pickled slaw. It's made out of cabbage, carrots, onions, habanero pepper, sweet pepper, and a little bit of garlic, vinegar, lime juice, and a little bit of sea salt. So this is really, really good. When you mix everything together, I mean, it is a really good addition for your fritai or your fried food. All right. Ready? All right, so this is our baked red snappers. They are ready. So let's go ahead and serve it. And we already have our plantain, our pickles here. We have a couple leaves, lettuce here. So we're just going to add some of our fish over our lettuce. You don't have to be shy. Just go ahead and put it over it. Just like this. And then get some of your onions and peppers. Just lay it over it. Make it look pretty, right? It does look pretty. Oh, and it smells good too. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, so I will go ahead and wipe it up a little bit. Wipe it up and clean up the sauce on the side, and let me show you the result. So that was the pickles I was talking about, which is a Haitian side, or you can call it it's just a good addition and a little bit spicy. You can make it as spicy you want. This one is not too spicy. And this is our baked fish, again, fried plantain right here. So now you have it. Thank you for cooking with me today. All the steps and the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and bon appetit.